hello everyone. Thank you for watching this video about Acumatica Product Configurator. In this video, I'm going to explain what is Product Configurator, why do we use Product Configurator, and how do we use it. So firstly, what is Product Configurator? Product Configurator is an add-on feature for our basic manufacturing functions. So our basic manufacturing functions will include like BOM, production orders, and MRP. This Product Configurator here is one add-on module. It gives us the possibility to give our finished good variable features. Let me show you. Here is a product configurator. We already set it up. It links with a BOM which already exists in the system. In this product configurator, we can set several features and different attributes for this configurator, which will be integrated in this BOM. And when we choose this item, the BOM is linked with the item. So when we choose the item in CRM or SO, the configurator features are available for us to choose from. So what do we need it? Because in the practice, for some business, the item they sold is very similar to each other. The finished good could be only slightly different for each other. For example, they are in different size, different shape, but they're basically same product. If the users don't want to create so many items because of the different features, they don't want to maintain so many items in their system, if they don't want to track their balance for each individual items, they can just create one item and use the product configurator, give it to apply different features on it. For example, this one, we do have these different features, and for each features we could link with our inventory. For example, when they use this pumper, I can choose which of the items which of the material I will be used for this pumper. And then we do have like attributes. Attributes are the ones which has no inventory required. Once we set this up, let me show you how it's going to be used in our sales order. So let me just create one sales order here with any of the customer. Okay, so let me choose this inventory as our item. I will give it a quantity 1. Let me save it. After we save it, we can see this configure. This function, previously it was green, now is active. Once we click on it, I can see everything. I just set it. For example, this is the attributes. I will need to choose what is the color. We can set as default, or we can change to another colors. And I need to tell the system what is the shape is. And here we have for the options. So I will need to take the one which is the detail feature it is. So for the dampers, I need to choose which of the item I'm going to use. And yeah, so for this return module, what is going to be. After that, I finish it. So all of these features and attributes have been already applied to this item. Okay, so if I run MRP, if I create production order from the SO, the production order already get all of these features in my future production order. So my production workers were able to see what the color and shape it be and what of the material they should use for this item. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you guys next time.